Today I have for you a new unboxing video, and this is the Simon Says Stamp April 2026 card kit called A Little Artsy. So if that's something you're interested in, then stay tuned. Well, hello my beautiful crafty people. This is Ellen with EGI Designs, and thanks so much for stopping by today. I have today just finally here the Simon Says Stamp April 2026 card kit called A Little Artsy. So I'm super happy it's here, and I'd love to share this unboxing with you. Just a quick bit of housekeeping. I will list everything in the description box and over on my blog at egidesigns.com of the contents in this box. And if you're watching on a television, I will have for you up top a QR code, and you can scan that with your phone, and it will take you right over to the supply list. I do have to say that this kit is sold out. And I'm sad to say that, but I'm also happy to say that all of the individual pieces are available for sale. So that is pretty awesome. So if there's something you like in here, you can go over to Simon and get that. I will put on my blog post as well more information about the subscription to this, but there's quite a few benefits, one being that you get $5 off the cost of the card kit if you were to purchase that not as a subscription, so that's a good bonus. You can also add to your box every month, and you will maintain the $7.99 shipping fee, and if you add on and you are over $100 in product, then you get your shipping for absolutely free. So that is super awesome, and you're guaranteed to actually get a card kit. A lot of the newer ones, they've been selling out like crazy because they're so fabulous. So if you want to be sure to get one, then you might want to subscribe. All right, let's get all this stuff out of here. And I do have quite a few add-ons this month. There's a lot of coordinating products that were gorgeous. So this is probably part of the kit. Anyway, so let me just sort this out, kind of extras. All right, so, ooh, I think that's part of the kit too. All right, so as far as the add-ons for the actual kit go, I got the A Little Artsy, and this is the die set that coordinates with the stamp set in there, and we can look at that once we get into there. I think these are part of the kit. And then as far as the extra items, there is a add-on set that's called Artsy Butterflies, and this is the same kind of sketchy butterflies that are in this kit as well. So it's a coordinating set, and you can get the stamp set, and there is also a stencil set, and this comes with the stencil and the mask, so you can do opposite stenciling, so you can either stencil inside or stencil around. So that's really cool. And then there's also a coordinating die set to go with this. I'm very excited. Y'all know how much I love my butterflies. So, all right, then this is a new stencil. This is called Petal Lattice, and it kind of matches with the vibe of this. So that's another add-on. And then I was very in love with a piece of this kit, which is the creative overlays, and these are transparencies, and so I wanted to get a full set, and they're all different styles. So you get the distressed kind of, the stripe, and this you could cut up if you wanted to use it as a border, or you could use it as a background, whatever you like. I have that one. That's beautiful. You could cut that in half, and you could use these for like shaker windows or all kinds of cool stuff. I like this one with the flower with the postcard. So I really liked this in the kit, so I got the whole set of that. All right, let's get to the kit. Look at all these goodies. Alright, and get your lollipop. Alright, that was with that, that was with that. Alright, let's get the map. See where we're going on this journey here. I love this because it shows some inspiration. These are gorgeous. I love the butterflies with this. Alright. There's so many goodies. Okay, so first up we'll go with the namesake stamp set, A Little Artsy. So this is just very sketchy, very artsy. You have the flower, you'll have a lot of like distressed kind of looking things, and you have this cool thread stamp, the butterfly, and you can see that that sketchiness of these matches perfectly with the sketchiness of this. So, and it's fun to have different, you know, butterflies facing different ways and all that good stuff. And then we have happy, thanks, hello. Those are sketchy. Birthday to you, for everything, my friend, for you. And I love these like side pieces too. That's awesome. So exciting. Alright, then let's see. So this also has a stencil set. So you can color in the flower and the two butterflies. So that's fabulous. And you get the masks. So if you wanted to, you could put the mask on your paper, color around it, take the mask off, and then you can stamp where the mask was. And that you get kind of a cool reverse effect there. Alright. And then here's one of the transparencies, how I was telling you about earlier. And you get one of those. Oh, we have a coupon. Oh, we gotta hurry. This one is till April 15th, 2026, and it is code WELUVU. So we love you, and you get $5 off. Alright, then you get a pack of the new Distress Oxides. These colors will vary. I have Spiced Marmalade, Crackling Campfire, Rusty Hinge, and Mustard Seed. So more of the warm colors. Let's see, we have the Distress Paint, which is the Salvage Patina. That's awesome. That matches perfectly with this. And then we have the Positively Perfect Black Splatter Medium. This is very, very liquidy. You want to make sure that you do stir it up because some of the pigments are in the bottom. But be very careful when you open that so you don't... That would be what I would do, just all over the place. Alright, and then you get a mini distress brush to help you with your stenciling here. And this is how cute it is. So you just use that just like a regular blending brush. And then you lift this up to cover the bristles, and then you can put the lid on without squinching those all up. Alright, then you have this little piece of thread or twine. Let me just check this out. This is the May Arts Black. So this is great, especially just to add some texture onto your project. Alright, let's see what else we got here. The 49 and Market Fresh Start Rub-On Transfers. So this is the bird song. So pretty. Look at all these butterflies. I love this. 49 Market has like the best rub-ons ever, I think. I'll quick open this so you can check it out. Alright. Ugh. Look at the colors on these. That floral. So pretty. And this one you have a lot of like birds, some distressed kind of definition sort of splotchies, like today, sing, together, fly, dream, fly away. So those are really cute. And then here has some sentiments and some kind of tape looking ones. Sing your song. I love that. You are my song. That's so pretty. Okay. Love these. Alright, let's see. Alright, so let's get into the papers. Let's save that for a minute. So here we have a sheet of vintage encyclopedia paper. That is so interesting to me. I'm just like looking over this, that they're talking about Boston Terrier dogs, and then they have botanical garden. That's really interesting. But anyway, so this is awesome to stamp the floral image or the butterfly on, and then you can stencil over that and cut it out and then get a really cool effect with the encyclopedia page. You could tear it, have it in the background, things like that. Alright, we have a piece of the Stencil Set stamp, Audrey Blue Heavyweight cardstock. This is such a gorgeous color. And then we have a sheet of the Nina Solar White, and this is the heavyweight, very good heft to it. And then we have the black heavyweight. So lots of paper that can take doing, you know, mixed media things and all that. Alright, and then the piece de resistance, besides the stamps. These are pieces from the Spellbinders Beautifully Imperfect Paper Pack. And these are the 6x6, and I will show you, I have I purchased a while back. This is the 12x12, but the same thing, gorgeous, gorgeous prints. And I will show you a few cards that I have with this, but so these are just absolutely beautiful. The colors are so gorgeous and vibrant. I like this collage-y kind of page. Purple. So many textures. And this on the black here, I don't know if you can see it, but it's embossed. It's like shiny raised there. And then this is one of my favorites pages, I think, in this one. But this one is so gorgeous. Look at that. And then the black is the raised on there. I'll show you a card using that paper that I had made previously, and I can link over to this project too so you can see it. But this is the same one. It's just a little bit bigger because it was the 12x12, but I have that along the edge. And I love this one. It's so pretty, and the paper is so great. Let's see, I love this flower. That's very reminiscent of the flower in the stamp set. And again, the paint all matches, everything matches. So great. And then this page, look at this, so gorgeous. I'll show you another project that I made with that. And then this cute little cut apart, and I have a project I made with this one too. I'll show you that. Alright, so this is a recent project that I have, and I will link over to it. These are kind of self-latching cards. It's very interesting. This part bends back like a little door, otherwise it stays together very well. And then you can open to the inside. So on here I used this little cut apart, and it was a little bit bigger because I had the 12x12, but then I used this one on here for that, and then on this distressed page, I use that on the edge there. And then for the butterfly, I'd cut the side of the paper. I cut the butterfly out with a circle, and then also use that for the mat back there. So these are a couple projects that I just did, and I can link over to that as well. So if you're looking just to make projects with just the papers, these are a great collection of papers to use to make kind of that mixed media look and make it very easy. All right, I think that is everything today. Again, I will list everything in the description box and over on my blog, so you have that available. If you've enjoyed this unboxing video today and you'd like to support my channel, I would love it if you could hit that like button and also consider subscribing, as it greatly helps me get out my content to other crafters just like you. If you want to stick around till the end, I will put my playlist of Simon Says Stamp unboxing videos, so you can go back and check all of those out if you like that kind of a video. And I will also put my card making playlist so that you can get additional inspiration, and when I do make cards, additional cards with this kit, then I will have them there as well. Thanks so much for stopping by today, and until next time, like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and have an amazing day. Bye-bye.